I got my new toy from Smarthome, and it is the DIY socket. And this DIY socket, it has the manual, it has the DIY socket, and it has also the remote control in the same box. Now we don't need the box, so now I will come simply and open the socket wire, and then I will plug it into my switch. It's a lighting switch. Now, as we can see, this has a Wi-Fi built in. It has also a safety on-off button. It has infrared receiver. It has S-Bus, and it has built-in S-Wave. The nice thing also, it can accept many different types of devices. So I can, for example, connect to my DVD, which is German or French or Japanese plug. I can connect the Australian, which is, let's say, this LED or fluorescent light, to that. That's my Australian plug. I can connect to the American plug also, as an example. And I can connect also to the British plug as an example. I will show you how I can control everything of these devices that I have in front of me. Like my DVD is now on, my LED or fluorescent is on, blue fluorescent, my light is on, my fan is on low speed. Now I will show you that I can, for example, switch off my light and switch off here my DVD, and I can now, for example, ramp up the speed of my fan faster and faster, and I can make the lights also go higher, as you can see. So this is how nice and how fast it is. So now I'm dimming the fan. I'm now making the fan higher slowly. I'm switching on the fluorescent light. I'm switching on my DVD. And now with one button, I will switch everything off. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now all I need to do is go to my Wi-Fi and search for the Smart P8, which is the Power 8 extension, and this is already, I'm connected to it. So now after I have downloaded the app, this is my app as an example. Now I can make the lights on and off and dim, you see, as you can see. So let's say I'm dimming the light, and I will make the fan start at slow speed or at higher speed, or slow it very much, as an example. I can switch on my fluorescent light or LED light on blue color or red color or green color, etc. I can also power on my DVD, as an example. So now everything is powered. Now I'll switch off, switch off, switch off, switch off. You see how simple it is? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is a plug and play DIY Power 8 by Smarthome. Thank you.